Hello, this will be a quick tutorial on how to create events in Google Calendar. Events can be scheduled in Calendar to help manage your own time and coordinate time with other people. There are no limits to what kinds of events can be in your calendars, whether they are personal or for school use. At the end of this lesson, you will know how to create and manage calendar events. If you know the time and date of a simple event, you can add it quickly to your calendar by using the Quick Add option. To get started, click on the day and time that you want to create your event. In the What field, you can describe your event, such as Back to School Night or IEP meeting. Type in your event and press Enter, or click the Create Event button and the event has been added to your calendar. If you wish to add more details or invite guests to an event, you will need to create the event and use the Edit Details option. To get started, click the Create button on the left-hand side of your screen. In this example, I will create an event to show you how it works. The first step is to choose a name for your event. This should be something descriptive of the event, something like Google Doc Training. When you view your calendar, you will only see the event name and you will not see the details of the event unless you open that event. Next, you can pick the date and time your event starts and ends. You can even change the time zone if necessary. You also have the option of creating an all-day event or a repeating event. In the next lesson, I will explain in more detail how repeating events are set up. Next, you can enter the location of your event, such as an address or a meeting room. Be careful in this field because Google will search on Google Maps for this location. If you put in something generic like Room 42, it will try to find the nearest Room 42 on Google Maps and put a link in your event for that address. Next, you have the option of adding a Google Plus Hangout to the event if you would like to video chat with the participants. The Hangout link will be added to the event for everyone to click on and join when the event starts. If you manage more than one calendar, you can click on which calendar you would like this event to appear on here. The description of your event should include details such as the agenda or topic and any relevant web links. This will help people attending to understand what the purpose of this event is. You can also add an attachment to your event from your drive or computer. If you would like to change the color that the event appears in your calendar, you can do so here. In this area, you can set up reminders which will help notify you before an event is about to start. I will explain about the different reminder options in a later session. The privacy settings for the event can be set below. By default, your privacy settings are set to show your event as free or busy to all members of SMUSD. Now that you have all the details of the event in place, you can invite guests to attend. Over at the right, you simply add guests by entering their email address in the field. Once they have been added, you can see all the guests and determine whether or not they have accepted or rejected the invitation to the event. Finally, you can set what kind of permissions the guests have to the event. You can give them access to modify the event, invite other people, and see the guest list. The final step is to click on the Save button at the top. You will then be asked if you would like to send a notification to the guests that you invited. If you would like an email invitation to go out, press Send. As you can see, my event is now on my calendar. If I need to edit anything, I can click on the event and make any edits here. Congratulations! You now know how to create and edit an event in Google Calendar.